Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the weekly and daily because today the weekly candle is finished. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when you put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord. The link of them is down in the description of that video because in Telegram and Discord you're going to be notified more quick and we're giving their free signals those days. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the weekly candle here, it's finished here as you see it, and it happened something very bad here as you see it here. Let's zoom it here together to see it as you see here. You remember that 200 moving average, that one here, that blue one here, that one, as we said till now, it's still a very stronger level here. That weekly candle here, it's breaking that level here. Look at it, we close below in the 200 moving average, guys. Now for us to know the market is going to go back up, what we need another green candle here to come to cross above that 200 moving average next week. So till now here everything it's looking bad here in the weekly. Yes, the volume is very low as you see it here. Look at it, it take long, but also we are here in a downtrend as you see it. And you remember that channel as we show you in the daily before. And here what we got here in the weekly, we got here that channel as you remember it, that one here, down here as you see it, and here we touch the top here and we couldn't break it. Now maybe from here we're going to fall down, maybe it's going to give us here another low he couldn't break here, and from here it will go back up. So till now we need to wait in because till now there is nothing yet here. Everything still looking bad at this time because the Bitcoin, look at it here. If you just let me take it off that channel, look with me here, we break here the 200 moving average here, the Bitcoin go back above here, but there is no power to stay here. Now it's falling down. Now for us to know the Bitcoin it will go, it need to give us here another high in the previous one, which is here. If that doesn't happen, that man, no bull run yet. I'm not going to make you scared, guys, but till now here in the weekly everything still looking bad here in the weekly. So you need to be focused about that signal. Unless if next week it came here a green candle like that and closing above that level, that's another story. But now there is nothing new here. Everything still looking bad and it's showing to us the Bitcoin is going to fall down a little bit. And that's what me have been telling you here. Maybe the Bitcoin is going to give us here a big double bottom like how it give it to us in the SP500, because till now there is a war from the ACC against the crypto, and that bad thing, that's why you see here no investors, no power here yet. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's going to see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, we don't got something special here. Only there is one holiday in Australia and me enter short in the Aussie. But that one it will not affect me because that man Monday we're going to see a flat market. That's good news. So we don't need to make the video too long here. Let's see our table here, what it's telling us till now here. As you see it, everything looking great here. US stocks here, as you see it here. They start in the week, everything is green here. As you see, everything is looking green here. But we need to wait until today candle close and we're going to make a decision based on that. As people have been with us, they remember all those things. And down here is our friend, is the VIX, as you see it. Is it 13? That was currency, it's still very low here. US dollar is 103. That means it fell down from that 104 we used to follow before. But there is nothing new here. Now let's go into daily to see what Bitcoin doing today in the daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily, guys. Here today, people they are in my Telegram channel. We enter a long hell here. We make some profit, not only in my Telegram, even in my Discord. Depending on you what you like, Discord or Telegram. We make a nice profit today. I'm talking here about scalping, but for long-term investment, I told you we got here that level here, that one here. It's need either to be broken above here for us to enter long or to be broken down here for us to enter short. Till now it hasn't been broken, so there is nothing yet here in the daily. And here in the daily I show you we got here that triangle here as you see it, or that wedge here as you see it here. So till now the market it hasn't broken above here and it hasn't broken down here, so there is nothing yet. We need to wait in more till the right time. And here I show you everything about that one before. Let me show it to you. But for some people they just came now. I told you when we are going to touch here the 200 moving average, try to buy 50% from your capital here. Till now it's showing to us the market is going to fall down to touch here the 200 moving average. And also we are waiting here at the 200 moving average. How you going to wait? Put pending order there and still wait until the right time. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long here about the daily. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Over here, what I told you in yesterday video, and even in thumbnail of the video, we came with wheel like that and down with wheel like that. We said we got here a very clear triangle. I'll show you even everything here. I told you if it's breaking above here, we will enter long. If it's breaking down here, we will enter short. Did it break? No, it doesn't. Actually, today also we enter from down here till up here. We make nice profit over here in the high of that one. We take profit, and that's exactly what's happening here. So we make nice profit here. I'm talking here about scalping, but for swing trading there is nothing yet. As you see it, also we are in a downtrend here until now the Bitcoin. Now he couldn't give us another low in the previous one, and that good news. If you see here that low over here, another low lower than the previous one, which is here. Now here at that level here, that the last low here, he couldn't give us here another low lower than the previous one. Now what we need to wait the Bitcoin to go up to give us another high higher than the previous one, which is the one, and that is going to give us here a double bottom like that. That if it's happening, it's going to be the best scenario going to happen to the Bitcoin. So let's wait in what's going to happen here in the coming days and coming hours. But till now there is nothing yet of that, so you need to wait in, guys, till the right time. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, I told you in yesterday, we got here a divergence like that from here and here. But till now, we couldn't break that trend line we got here in the top. Let me show it to you. But the trend line I'm talking about, you came to the top of that one here. And you do it like that. So till now, we hasn't break it above here. And we haven't entered from the bear market to the bull market. So till now, also in 4 hours, technically, we're still in a bear market. Remember that, guys. Also, what we still in a bear market. There is no bulls yet. Don't follow no one. He never ever trade. Till now, there is no bull market. Also, we still in a bear market, guys. Now, I'm talking here just about swing trading. Now, let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. Even here, look at the divergence here. How clear it is here. But should you enter long here at that level where we are here? No, my friend. There is no entry long. I show you before we got here like a very clear head and shoulder, but even that one, it hasn't broken above here, and that one is going to be the neckline like that. Even that one, you need to be focused about it if we are going to break here for us to enter long. So till now, everything still looking great. And also here we got that triangle. I'll show it to you here, that one here and that one here. I told you if we're breaking above here, yes, we are going to enter long, guys. So till now we haven't break, so there is no entry long, and we haven't breaking down here, because down here is the last low. If we break in here, we are going to fall down. So there is no entry long, no entry short. We need to wait until the right time, and that's what me have been teaching you. The key of success is passion. Same thing now here happening, guys. So you need to be waiting till the right time. And I'll show you before we got a down channel here. I don't need to show it to you now. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment. If you're benefiting from our signals, please go ahead and do it. Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. And me I see those days the channel is very slow. So please support us. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, you remember in yesterday you can find it even in our community tab. Here, I give you here a signal like that. Exactly like that. And down here, I came and do it like that. Like that. It's getting broke today here. Exactly. It went up, it fell down, it touched it here in the top of that trend line. Also, we enter long from here. Exactly. Stop loss, we put it down here. First take profit, where we put it? We put it here. Did it bring it? Exactly here. Look at it. Second take profit, where it is? Second take profit, we got it here. Third take profit, is it here in the top of that one? What it break for us? Just the first one till now. Yes or no? Stop loss, when we taking 50% here, I tell people they are in my Telegram channel or my Discord channel to move stop loss here now. For people that just came now, they haven't or they missed that trading signal us we gave. Did we got any price action here? Look with me here. That one I've been following all the whole day. Let me show it to you actually. Look with me here. Top of that one and the top of that one. And down here, that one and the tail here. What we got? We got a very clear triangle. Yeah, now we haven't broken above here in that level for the people that just came for us to enter more long. And we haven't broken down here. And also we are going to enter short. When is it exactly the right time? You can join us in Telegram or Discord. If you want to trade it by yourself, I just show you how to do it. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying guys here. Our indicator, as you see it enter here to the overbought area. Level, also we are in a very stronger level here. Shall we enter short? Yeah, no, it hasn't broken that trend line here, so we don't need to enter short guys. When it's going to break here, also we are going to enter short. That's how also we're benefiting from that market. Also we enter short here, tail down here. Now we enter long tail here. Now if it's breaking down, we're going to enter short. Everything is too clear guys? Done? That's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it. Thank you very much my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.